Right, a star-studded affair in Mumbai. Sachin Tendulkar, superstar cricketer, voting. He's speaking to the media. Let's cut across.
आणि कधी कधी नुसता विचार करत बसतो आणि काही करत नाही. मी लोकांना हेच सांगू इच्छितो की आज तुम्ही नुसता विचार करत बसू नका, पण इथे या आणि तुमचं वोट कास्ट करा. ज्यांना तुम्हाला वोट द्यायचं आहे त्यांना वोट द्या, कारण हे आपल्या देशाच्या भविष्याचा आकार कसा व्हायला पाहिजे, किती देशाचा बदल व्हायला हवा, त्यांना जे काही वाटतं ते ह्या थ्रू वोट त्यांच्या बरेचसे त्यांना जे वाटतात ते चेंजेस ते आणू शकतात.
मतदानाची टक्केवारी फरक नाही.
All right. So you have superstars who have urged people of Mumbai to come out and vote. All 6 phases, 6 seats in Mumbai goes to polls today. More importantly, this is a great example of what the country's fight between the NDA and the India bloc really looks like. Because in Maharashtra, they are fighting the Mahayuti versus the Mahavikas Aghadi. 3 allies versus 3 allies. It's going to be a very interesting contest here in Maharashtra as 13 constituencies goes to polls, all 6 from Mumbai. If I could take you through a host of celebrities who came in nice and early today to cast their vote. In fact, Vidya, correspondent, is currently in Girgaon Chowpatty. We also have Hesha Chima from Bandra, Mumbai. Yeah, these are our correspondents who are with us. But before I cut to them, here's a quick look at Sachin Tendulkar yet again, if we could play out what he said just after casting his vote in Mumbai.
Okay, all settled? Okay. So I am the national icon of ECI. So I was involved in quite a few initiatives in raising awareness and the importance of casting your vote. Today, as a proud Indian, I'm able to do that. I'm really happy. यही कहना चाहूँगा कि normally problems 2 वजह से होते हैं. एक is you act without thinking, और यू जस्ट कीप थिंकिंग और एक्ट नहीं करते. मैं आज सभी को यही दरख्वास्त करता हूं कि प्लीज़ आइए और अपना वोट कास्ट कीजिए. ये अपने देश के भविष्य के लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. ECIचा मी नॅशनल आयकॉन आहे आणि बरेचसे इनिशिएटिव्स होते ज्याच्यात लोकांना तो मेसेज जाणं इम्पॉर्टंट होतं की
All right. Sachin Tendulkar is the Election Commission icon, which means that he's the brand ambassador for them, where he urges people to come out and cast their vote. He helps set a precedence for people of Maharashtra, motivating them in ways more than one. We heard him speak as he comes in the afternoon, 1 p.m., Sachin Tendulkar casting his vote there.